Happy Saturday. Today is March the 28th. We're almost in April. This is a new client, guys. I did not come out here and do a consultation. He actually hit me up Thursday on our way back from Hilton Head. This is Mario. We're out here in Austell, me and my ride-along Jake. I did go out this morning, not far from here in Mableton, and did an in-home consultation. Also, it's going to be a wax removal, screen, recoat, color correction, and also UV cure. So what we're doing here today, guys, this is a engineered floor. We're doing a screen and recoat. He does have some residue on the floor. He said, Courtney, I had another company come out. The guy actually came out, gave me a price, but then when he came out here to do the work, after I moved all the furniture out, he told me because of all this residue on my floor, he could not do my floors. So Mario said that he tried to do it himself. He said, man, Courtney, after looking at all these floors, I said no. He said he found me on ChatGPT. He asked ChatGPT to give him some videos of how to do it, and my videos came up. He watched my YouTube videos, and that's when he reached out to me. He sent me pictures. I gave him a price, and that's what we're out here doing today. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, beautiful day today. We're out here in Austell, Georgia, and these are the floors that we are doing. So if you look really close, there's some residue on this floor. All right, not too bad. So what we're doing, me and Jake, see right there, guys, see all that residue? So what we're gonna do is remove the residue. We're doing a dry method. There's Jake, not from State Farm. I told Jake yesterday, I said, Jake, Jake is 32, and I'm 45. I said the only Jake that I know is Jake the Snake, but he Jake State Farm. That's his era. Yeah. Oh, Jake Paul. Yeah, he Jake Paul. I know who he is. Yeah, so these are the floors we're doing, guys. And what we're doing, just knocking that residue off. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Yeah. Austell Georgia. Me and Jake from Jersey. Client called, stress all in his voice. Moved everything out, thought he made the right choice. Company pulled up, took one look, said, nah, too much residue, you gotta replace it all. Now he pacing through the house, pressure on his chest. Google got him searching, he just trying to do his best. Typed it in, ChatGPT, what I need to do. Tried to fix it himself, but it just wouldn't move. Then it said, call Truman, that's your guy. He hit my phone, sent pics, I replied. Gave him that number, confidence tone. Don't replace nothing, we bring it back home. Put up, beat me and Jake on the scene. Engine and flow, but we keep it pristine. Residue heavy, we came with the plan. Screen and record, yeah, you know who I am. It's true, man. It's true, man. One day we do it, bring it back, new man. From penny to perfect, watch how we move, man. Austell Georgia, yeah, we proved it. It's true, man. It's true, man. Then in replacement, just the right hand. From residue stress to a smooth, clean land. Proco shine, got him like Jake from Jersey, watching every move. Right along, learning how we really improve. Not just floors, it's a system we build. Knowledge in the craft, yeah, the mission fulfilled. Aqua Pro flowing, semi-gloss glow. Watch that grain pop, watch that flow show. From cloudy mess to a mirror like you. Clean standing there like this brand new.
They told him tear it out, start over again. But he found Truman, and we came to win. Sometimes you don't need new, you just need the right hands on it.
It's true, man. It's true, man.
True man.
We don't replace it, we restore the plan. One day system, yeah, we move like that. UV Aqua Pro, we command. It's true, man. It's true, man.
True man.
From doubt to shine, yeah, we expand. Austell floors turn master fleas land. Client smiling like I'm the fan. From residue to revenue. From revenue.
From panic to perfection. Truman was here.
That's gonna do it. I just did the walkthrough with my client Mario. He is very, very happy with the floors. Said, Courtney, you brought my floors back to life. Also, shout out to my guy who was just with me. I forgot my guy. Jake. Jake actually left out to go to the airport, and he just called me because we're flying out next week. And he just called me and told me that the airport actually wasn't too bad. So, all right, guys. Floors look great. So you remember the floors had a lot of residue on them, and we got the floors. Oh, how you doing?
Okay.
They look better?
Yes.
Okay. So we got all that residue off the floors. Got them screened, recoated, and my client's gonna put the furniture back Monday. All right. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. And thank you, ChatGPT. That's how my client found me. All right. See you in the next one.